Azmino Islamic in Modern Sciences Education System. NS. Always nurture and expect success. Chapter 2. The Computer System. The computer system consists of two components: hardware and software. Hardware. The parts of computer that we can touch are called hardware, like monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Some hardware inside the CPU, such as motherboard, microprocessor, hard disk, and RAM. Software. Software is a set of instructions and its documentations that tell a computer what to do or how to perform a task, like Office's spec. It is example of software. Some example of input devices, such as keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Some example of output devices, such as speaker, monitor, and printer. Thanks for watching.